Hi friends, welcome to Vlogmas 2020. I am elated to be able to sit down and announce I'm doing Vlogmas this year. I have done Vlogmas every year since I think 2015, so 2015 or 2014, I'm not really sure. It's been a long time, many years. Vlogmas has sort of grown and changed as my channel has evolved over the years. So I thought I would sit down today, talk to you about what Vlogmas is going to look like on my channel this year, as well as announce my holiday card exchange for 2020. So if you've watched my Vlogmas videos in years past, you know that we usually get up to all sorts of fun and holiday shenanigans in December. This year, things are looking a little different. I think this year in general has been very different for a lot of people, so that's probably no surprise to you. We are doing a homebound holiday for the most part this year. Typically in my vlogs during December, you guys see us do all sorts of holiday shopping in and out of stores, you know, eating out and lots of merriment, visiting family. All of that's kind of not happening this year because it's not safe to do so. So we're going to be doing a whole lot of homebound holly jollying this year. And so that might mean shorter vlogs, vlogs that have less holiday fun and more just everyday mundane day in the life stuff, which I know a lot of you really appreciate and you'll enjoy nonetheless, but I just kind of wanted to put a disclaimer out there that Vlogmas might just be a little bit different this year. I'm going to do my best to bring lots of happy holiday fun your way every day, but you know, we're just going to kind of see how it goes. So Vlogmas videos will be going up on my channel every day from December 1st, this video you're watching right now, through Christmas, and they're gonna go up at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I know that's a little bit different than I've done in years past. Typically I do my Vlogmas videos in the evening, but over the course of the last year I've moved my regular uploads to the evening time, and so I had to do a little bit of switcherooing here. So regularly scheduled content will still go up on my channel not every day, but every day that I have a video planned at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So things like budget videos, grocery hauls, unboxing videos, those sort of things. Stuff that doesn't make it into the vlog on a daily basis will go up at 6 p.m. Vlogmas videos are going to go up at 10 a.m., a little bit later than usual because I need time to edit my day in the life vlogs. So it's going to go up on a 1-day delay. So on December 2nd, tomorrow, when you sit down and you click on my Vlogmas video, you will see my day in the life video for December 1st. So it's going to be on a 1-day delay. It's going up a little bit later in the morning just so I have time in the mornings to do my editing. Hopefully I can stick to this schedule. It's a very rigorous schedule to be able to turn a vlog around that quickly, but I think I can manage it. So every day from now until Christmas you will see a new Vlogmas video, day in the life, chronicling my journey through December. Myself, my husband, our 2 children. We're not going to be doing quite as many cutesy little holiday crafts as we've done in years past because my children just aren't that age anymore. If you go back and watch Vlogmas videos from 2015 or 2016, you will see us do a whole lot of what we call our Advent Adventures, where we do a holiday-themed activity or craft or game every day leading up to Christmas, but my kids are past that point in their lives where they want to do stuff like that, cute little, you know, holiday crafts and painting ornaments and things. They're just older now, so we're not going to be doing quite as much of that, but I think we will still find plenty of holiday things to jam into December. Here at home, I'm going to have to get creative, but I think we can manage it. You guys will get to watch us put up our holiday decorations, which will happen at some point. We haven't gotten around to it yet. I don't know when we will. Things are a little hectic trying to work around my husband's work schedule and my oldest son's work schedule and school and everything, but we're gonna do the best we can, and you guys are gonna get to come along with us. So I hope that you are excited. I'm very excited to share our holiday vlogs with you. Also, once again this year, I am doing a holiday card exchange here on my channel. So if you would like to receive a holiday card from me, all you have to do is send me a card first. I have my post office box listed in the description box. You can go down there and get the address, and if you send me a holiday card and you include a return address on it, I'm gonna send you one back. And you can be from anywhere in the world. I would love to receive holiday cards from different countries and things, so if you'd like to send me a card and you'd like to get one in return, it's that time of year. So very excited about the holiday cards and about Vlogmas. I hope you guys are as well. Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Have you watched previous Vlogmas series on my channel? How long have you been watching my Vlogmas videos? Let me know. And let me know if you're excited about Vlogmas, even though things might look a little different this year. Alright, you guys, make sure you click the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. There's going to be a lot of content coming at you in December, regularly scheduled content, Vlogmas videos. So, you know, you can click the notification bell if you want to be notified of all those videos. It's going to be a lot. Yeah, I'm really excited. I hope you guys are as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day one. All right, bye guys.